can we use the iPhone 16 Pro screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro? So if you look at the iPhone 16 Pro here, this is the iPhone 16 screen protector. Now if I put on it here, you can see it fits perfectly fine for the iPhone 16 Pro. And if I place it on the iPhone 17 Pro, you can see it also appears to fit perfectly, like so. So I guess you can use it. We can test it out. Now this is the installation tray for the iPhone 16 Pro. So if I place it on here, you can see it fits perfectly in place. And if I put it on the iPhone 17 Pro, and surprisingly, it also fits perfectly in place. And here, if I place this one in here, it should also fit perfectly in place as well. And so yeah, if you do have a spare one, a spare iPhone 16 Pro screen protector, you can reuse it on the iPhone 17 Pro. So you don't have to buy a new one. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.